down to a local little river which has got some moving water to do some long exposure with my new magnetic Maven filters. I've set up the camera there, and the intention is to take the same scene, the same aperture, just varying the length of the shutters open, put it on the 3, 6 and 10 stop, and then a combination of the 3 and 6, 3 and 10 and 6 and 10, and see whether the colour cast is good throughout. I'll get on with it now and then show you the results. I've taken the scene without any filters, which you can see on the back of the camera hopefully when I zoom in, and if I press playback you can see it's exposed with the different channels not clipped. And now I'll attach. I've put on the magnetic ring, and now I'm going to stack the filters, Maven filters in front. There they are. I put on the first of the filters. I put on the blue one, which, if you recall from my part 1 video, that's the polarizer. I've taken the same scene, not moved the camera, and to get the same sort of exposure, I've gone from 1/100th of a second down to 1/50, so it's approximately a stop for polarizing, but also a stop in required more light to get the same scene. So now I've taken off the polarizer and put on the red filter, which is 3 stops. Taken the same scene, and I've gone down to 1/10th of a second. As you can see, the purple filter, which is 6 stops, and now we're on 1 second, I think. And there we are. There's the final one, the gold filter, and we're on now 15 seconds to get the right exposure of the scene. One thing I can definitely say is that putting them on and off is really easy and really quick. The gold and the red on, which is 13 stops, which comes out at 120 seconds. So just before I go, I'll show you how easy it is to switch from lens cap, magnetic lens cap, to filter one-handed, because I'm holding the phone in the other hand. And so I just basically pull off the lens cap, go into my filter bag, my lens cap in, pull out a filter, and snap on the filter, and that's it. It's that simple. So that's a big improvement over my old system with the clip-on frame, slide-in glass plates, fiddling around. I couldn't have done that one-handed. So really, the proof in the pudding now is to get back, have a look at the images, and see the neutrality, the colour cast on it, if there is any, and report back on that. Well, looking at the images, you can see running through them from no filters, polarizer 3 stop, 6, 10 stop, and then the 3 and 10 stop, and the 3 and 6 stop. Well, in conclusion, I can only say that the filters themselves from Maven are very good. They've lived up to what I hoped, in that they're very easy to use, take up very little space in your bag, easy to attach to your camera, and the results they yield are very colour neutral, much better than the one I was using. So I intend to use these as my primary filters from now onwards. So, like I said before, at the end of part 1, if you're interested in these filters, please look up Michael Andrews or mavenfilters.com, and you'll find more information on how to order them online. So I'll sign off now and say thanks for watching.